Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can contact Shopify by phone. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify Help Center, or you can just go into your browser and type in help.shopify.com, and then you will be prompted right here. And this is the most recent UI update of Shopify Help Center. And with this one, we can just ask the AI to connect us to the support using our phone. So you can just go for contact support via phone. And then when you send this message, AI would say to you that Shopify doesn't offer callbacks or direct phone support anymore, because in the past they do offer this one, but recently they don't anymore right here. So if you're just finding answers on how you can do this, there is no way that you can contact Shopify via phone now. It's just a thing in the past. So if you find someone that is offering you a phone number of Shopify that is pretending to be a Shopify staff or so on, that might be a scam. So be careful with that. I'm just providing you the answer right here that it is not possible anymore at this time right here, because Shopify itself doesn't offer callbacks or direct phone support. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.